Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate ko, Beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Shari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin ni Aqua at ang mga bago po natin viewers. So, tignan po natin kung ano yung message or energy na mapipick up natin para sa'yo, Aqua. And then, mamaya titignan ko rin yung energy ng person mo. So, we have the Princess of Pentacles. We have the Ace of Cups. The Lovers. The Two of Pentacles. And the Four of Wands. Bottom is the Fool. Okay, Aqua, yung Fool natin, this is an energy coming from an Aries. Ito yung willing siya to take that risk, no? Willing ka to take that risk. Willing ka na baka sakali, willing ka na sige yung alam mo yung pikit mata na gagawin mo, na hindi ka natatakot o hindi ka kakabahan, hindi ka magkakaroon ng dalawang pag-iisip para sa desisyon mo na to, na talagang susulong ka, no? You'll move forward and you'll just do it. Okay? Ito, no? Gagawin mo talaga. Walang takot. Kasi with the Two of Cups, alam mo itong person mo is the one for you. Nakita mo na talaga, alam mo siya na. Wala na talagang iba. But with the Five of Wands, ang hindi mo nakikita is may conflict, may gulo. Mayroong something na magdudulot ng hindi magandang enerhiya sa relationship nyo. And it has something to do with yung equal give and take, yung Six of Pentacles, yung tinatawag nilang reciprocity. Parang magkakaroon kayo ng problema doon sa pagbibigay at pagtatanggap ng panahon at pag-ibig. Okay? Now, yung start ng card mo rito, Aqua, is the Prince of Pentacles, or ito yung tinatawag nating Knight of Pentacles. Kaya, alam mo yung mabagal ang takbo ng relationship. Though nakikita mo na this love is a new beginning, may bagong pag-asa sa pag-ibig, bagong pasok na pag-ibig. Pero mabagal, no? Mabagal yung dating ng bagong pag-ibig na to. Maybe if you are waiting for this, nababagalan ka sa pagdating niya. Kasi gusto mo nang ma-meet yung lover mo. So, if you're dealing with this Knight of Pentacles, this is an energy coming from an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Okay? Now, yung lovers natin is an energy coming from a Gemini. Kasi gusto mo na nga, sabi ko, you wanted to meet your lover. But somehow, parang with the Two of Pentacles, merong hindi ka mabalanse. There's something that you are still trying to juggle or trying to, weigh things na parang maging pantay. Maybe it has something to do sa pera, sa career, sa person mo, sa'yo, sa family, or anything. This could be any two things na equally important to you. Kaya, you're trying to make sure that they're both balanced. Or parang binibigyan mo, you're trying your best to give all the love and attention equally as much as possible. But somehow, syempre, hindi ganun kadali, di ba? Kaya ngayon you're trying to juggle it. And with the Four of Wands, kasi ito yung energy na gusto mo magpatuloy o magtungo itong relationship na to sa isang maganda at very solid na foundation. Yung tipong alam mong mag-level up ito to the next level, sabi nga nila na, which is having that or receiving that marriage proposal, and then eventually you'll get married, mga ganon. Kasi this Four of Wands is yung preparation. No? This is, you are preparing for the future. Ito yung parang hudyat na nagsasabi na ito na tayo, papasok na tayo dito sa stage na nagpaplano na tayo for the future. Kaya nga, there is that proposal of marriage, okay? Or we could also say that this is the 11-11 card if you are aware or naniniwala dun sa twin flame, okay? So, this is your twin flame. Kaya parang nag-prepare kayo doon towards that energy, okay? Or towards that union. So, tignan natin, bakit andito yung Prince of Pentacles? We have the Moon, the Three of Swords, and the Four of Swords. Bottom niya is the King of Pentacles. So, yun talagang, I think you're really dealing with an earth sign, Aqua. Now, with the Moon, this is an energy coming from a Pisces. May mga bagay na hindi maliwanag sa'yo. Diba sabi ko nga, bakit ang bagal ng energy na to? Kasi may mga bagay na hindi mo alam and that is causing you heartache, sakit sa damdamin. Kasi kung gaba in person na to might have not been telling you everything, hindi siya honest, o dahil kasi nga mabagal, parang walang panahon to give you time, to give you that love and attention. Yeah, pagdating sa gabi, lagi mo iniisip na, bakit kaya ganun, no? Bakit ganun siya? Bakit siya ganun sa akin? Wherein, ang tingin ko naman sa kanya, siya yung aking bagong pag-asa sa bagong pag-ibig na to. Sa kaya ako nagkakamali? Meron ba akong problema? Or anong problema? May problema ba siya? You are really trying to think or analyzing things na, bakit ganun? Ang alam ko sa new beginning, sa new love is something that would bring me happiness. Pero ang nangyayari is, ang dulot nito sa akin ay luha at pighati. Okay? Wherein dapat, I should be confident and really secure with this person. Kasi ito yung energy na binibigay niya, no? King of Pentacles. Okay, so, na natin. Bakit andito yung Two of Pentacles? Nag-jump yung card. We have the Two of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Sun. Bottom niya is the Hermit, Virgo energy. Now, yung Sun natin is an Leo energy. So, yung pagja-juggle niya kasi is something to do with hindi niya alam kung anong decision niya pagdating sa anong diskarte ba gagawin niya dito. Ano bang daan ang pupuntahan niya? Ito ba yung tamang direction? Is this the right way? Ito na ba yung person talaga? Siya ba yung magdudulot sa akin ng Ten of Pentacles? Is this the person who will be giving me all? Everything? And would make me happy? Yun yung mga tinatanong mo eh. You're trying, I think those were the things that you're trying to juggle Would you be financially secure with this person and would be emotionally happy? Yung dalawang bagay na yun yung winiweigh mo. Kung ito na ba talaga yung taong magdudulot sa'yo with your lover, okay? Kaya you've been very, sabihin natin, silent about this and really thinking very hard and concentrating, meditating dito sa dalawang bagay na to na kina-question mo. Now, bakit andito yung Four of Wands? We have the Prince of Wands, the Five of Wands, and the Two of Cups. Bottom niya is the Nine of Cups. Okay, itong yung Four of Wands natin, no, yung preparation, yung sabi ko nga sa inyo na yung patungo dun sa having that solid offer is the one that really you're wishing for. Now, wini-wish mo talaga ito. Ito yung gusto mong mangyari, Aqua. Kasi kung ito nga, yung love of your life, no, your soulmate, your twin flame, bakit ganun? Bakit merong confusion? Bakit may gulo? No? Bakit merong conflict? Bakit merong hindi pagkakainawaan kami? No? Pagdating dito, kasi dahil ba sa kanyang nagiging energy na hindi ko maasahan, yung tipong hindi siya consistent with me, I don't feel na yung consistency niya with me, kasi sweet siya, okay, pero pag gusto lang niya maging sweet, pero pag hindi, I couldn't see that, hindi ko ma-feel, hindi ko makita, hindi niya pinapakita. Kaya kung gaba parang nakakapag-doubt talaga. Kaya nga ang tanong ko dito is, siya ba talaga yung magdudulot sa akin itong financial stability at saka yung tunay na kaligayahan na hinahanap ko? Now, tignan natin yung person mo, Aqua. O ano yung message na gusto niya sabihin sa'yo? We have the Knight of Pentacles. Saan na yun? Knight of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles. The Star. A Death card. The Seven of Swords. Bottom niya is the Nine of Cups. Now, I just want to show you, nakita niyo nag-shuffle ako. Aqua, you have Nine of Cups. And your person has Nine of Cups. Okay? So, pareho kayo. Pareho niyong wini-wish to. Pareho niyong wini-wish yung relationship. Okay? Now, bakit ganon? Kasi marami akong iniisip ko lang bakit ganito yung cards natin kung pareho kayong gusto nyo to. Kasi okay, Knight of Pentacles, mabagal. Sabi ko nga, di ba? Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. Pareho sila. Mabagal. Parehong umpisan yung card. Mabagal. As if you're mirroring each other. Talagang parang pang twin flame itong card na to. Pareho kayo mabagal. No? Yung offer of love is really slow. Talagang it is parang you're buying time. You're procrastinating. Pinatatagal nyo talaga para hindi mabilis yung kilos. Though, hindi naman siya masama, okay? Don't get me wrong, Aqua. Mabuti na yung minsan na gawin natin yung baby steps, one day at a time, slowly, to be sure. Okay? That is fine. That is the most matured way to be in a relationship. Lalo na kung marami ka pang question or mga agam-agam dito. Okay? Just to be safe. Just to be on the safe side. Siyempre, dahan-dahan tayo. Now, with the King of Pentacles, sabi ko nga, di ba, itong energy na to is showing you or telling you na dapat stable ka or you are secure when it comes to your money and your emotion and everything. Now, this is really dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. So, yun yung gusto mo kasi, no? To elevate yung level na from knight to king. Kasi kung ito ka pala ngayon, no, gababagito ka pa lang, start ka pa lang, you're still trying to improve yourself financially in terms of your money and career, and eventually you wanted to be a king, which is like being a boss, or meron kang management position, or be an owner, a business owner in the future, yun yung gusto mo. So I think that is one reason kung bakit matagal yung movement. Now, with the star, this is an energy coming from you, Aquarius. Kasi ito yung, kung pinangarap mo to, pinangarap ng person mo to na maging ganito, maging King of Pentacles, maging somebody, someday. Okay? But of course, with the Death card, this is the energy coming from a Scorpio. Something ended, may natapos that needs change. Kung bakit siya natapos, kasi it needs change. Kailangan ng pagbabago. And then, yung pagbabago na yun has something to do with you being very transparent or very honest with whatever that you are trying to hold back dito sa pagsasabi kay Aqua. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Bakit andito yung Death card? We have the Six of Cups, the Devil, and the Moon. Bottom niya is the Nine of Swords. So, talagang, nababagabag ka dito. Kahit kasi sa gabi, pinag-iisipan mo to dahil mga maraming bagay na hindi pa maliwanag sa'yo, na pumapasok talaga yung energy, This is an energy coming from Pisces. Yung mga negative thoughts, This is a devil energy which is from Capricorn. Yung mga negative thoughts dahil nga hindi mo alam about your past love. This is the Six of Cups. Maybe Aqua was your past love and you don't understand, Hindi mo alam. You don't really get it if you're not totally aware of yung mga twin flame, soulmate na lagi natin sinasabi dito. Then maybe you should research on this, read more articles about it, kasi para maalis yung thoughts na yon, yung doubt na yon. Kasi kung parang hindi ka naniniwala hindi ka naniniwala about this, na this is somebody from your past, na kayo yung talagang meant to be, yung mga ganun, you don't believe. Now, bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? We have the Tower, the Hangman, and the Knight of Cups. Bottom niya is the Three of Pentacles. Okay, so ano ba yung mga bagay na kinukubli mo, tinatago mo? Kasi ang naidulot nito, itong pagtatago mo to, itong pag hindi mo paniniwala, is nagdulot siya ng pagiging stalemate. Parang na-hold yung pag-ibig. Parang parang yung biglang tumigil kasi unexpectedly, hindi mo inaasahan, no? With the tower energy, hindi mo inaasahan na itong offer of love naging wala lang, parang hindi na kumilos. Hindi na kumilos. Wala na nangyari. Hindi na nag-move forward. Kaya nga siguro pareho kayo na nag-umpisa ng mabagal. No? Mabagal. Kasi ang kailangan dito sa relationship is cooperation. For you to really work together with the Three of Pentacles energy. You need to work together para magtuloy-tuloy yung relationship. Kasi sa totoo, maganda naman siya, no? 'Di ba? Kasi nag-umpisa kayo na binigay sa inyo itong bagong pag-ibig. Though, syempre, itong isa kasi, yung person mo, iniisip mo na yung career, which is okay. Pero nung pumasok itong issue ng twin flame, soulmate, hindi siya naniniwala. Parang hindi niya tinitik na seriously, alam mo yung ganon. Parang sa kanya, wala, nagkakilala kayo. That's it. Pero kasi nga hindi pa siya ganong, nakikita ko na hindi siya ganong ka-serious pa. Kasi ang focus niya is yung pang sarili. Ma-improve niya yung sarili niya kasi ito yung wish niya eh. Ikaw, iniisip mo naman Aqua is of course siya, no? Yung person mo na ito na ba? Siya na ba talaga? Yung magbibigay sa akin ng ito na ba yung new love ko? Ito na ba yung lover ko? Ito na ba yung aking kaligayahan? Ito na ba yung Ten of Pentacles ko? Dahil kasi ang tingin ko talaga sa kanya, the one. This person is the one for me. Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba merong conflict? May kaguluhan na mangyayari. Kaya nga, ang advice, you need to work together. You need to sit down, have a heart-to-heart conversation, reassess your, your relationship,